So the ICC rankings have been updated yesterday, and the cricketing world received their number one T20I batter and number one Test batter. So we'll talk about the T20Is first. The new number one T20I batter is none other than Ishan Kishan. We all remember the way he performed in the World Cup. We all remember what he did after his comeback in both T20Is and ODIs. And Ishan Kishan now is the number one T20I batter. If we look around his stats in IPL 2026, in 15 innings, he scored 602 runs with the strike rate of 180 plus. And if we talk about Ishan Kishan's T20Is record in the year 2026, in 16 innings, he scored 545 runs with the strike rate of 198. So these are the stats of Ishan Kishan for the year 2026 for both IPL and the T20Is. Yes, in the last couple of matches, 2 3 matches, he was unable to perform. Yesterday also he got run out against Ireland. He was not that much fruitful as much fans and people were expecting him to be. But Ishan Kishan is a player who has both the games, and in the T20Is it is very important for any team to have a batter like Ishan Kishan who has both the games. He can hit when it's needed, and he can also anchor the innings and hitting in between whenever he receives some loose balls. So Ishan Kishan again very much deserved number one T20I batters, and a very good news for Team India, because the number one T20I batter is Ishan Kishan and the number two T20I batter is Abhishek. It's almost been a year. Abhishek Sharma was there at the number one position, and even with his form in the World Cup, the IPL 2026 was also a bit of like inconsistent for a player like Abhishek Sharma, which we have seen in the past a few years. But despite of that, he remained the number one T20I batter for a very long period of time. But now Ishan Kishan has replaced him. But still, a very good news for Team India for the T20Is, that the number one and the number two batters in the ICC rankings men's T20Is, they both are Indians, Ishan Kishan and Abhishek Sharma. So that would be for the T20Is. If we quickly talk about the test matches, the number one test batter now is Travis Head. We all remember what Travis Head has done against England in the prestigious series of Ashes. He scored 100 against England, and it was a very fast 100, if you guys remember. Yes, Travis Head had a like loose kind of IPL, but again, that is something in a different format. In Test, Travis Head has been proven since a very long period of time. We all can recall the WTC 2023 if we go a bit earlier. WTC 2023, in fact, against India in the Border Gavaskar Trophy, the 2024 225 season, Travis Head was at his best. He was at his immense best form. So the number one test batter currently is Travis Head, and hopefully he can remain the number one with his form. If he continues his form, he can remain the number one test batter, and there would be no doubts in that. And Travis Head again, he in test also we have seen him a few times. He plays like T20Is, and also he can win Team Australia the matches single-handedly. So another deserving candidate at number one position for Test, Travis Head. So the updates from the ICC rankings were very interesting, and again, Sunrisers Hyderabad must be very happy seeing Abhishek Sharma, Ishan Kishan, and Travis Head, topping the charts. Yes, Travis Head has topped the chart in the Test, but again, he's the player of Sunrisers Hyderabad, so maybe a good news for Sunrisers Hyderabad also. What are your viewpoints on this particular rankings? Do leave us your opinions in comments. For more such videos, updates, and latest updates, keep watching Rev Sports. Thanks for watching.